What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers? Welcome to another episode on Window Cleaning Resource on YouTube.
Thanks for watching windowcleaner.com. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Okie dokie guys, so come with me today. We're going to be doing a Scottish farmhouse, typical farmhouse. Now this house also has a large stables attached to it as well. So we do the house for this customer external windows only. There's a little bit of climbing involved, have to go up and down the ladders and on top of a roof and things like that. So all very good. And the stables is actually all ground floor and everything's reachable without a pole. So nice and easy to do. But that job, the stables next door, is in and out. The downside is that the bit where the horses run round inside, it gets very, very dusty. So yeah, you'll see when I'm filming it just how bad it gets. Every single month, it's like doing a first clean in the stables. But anyway, let's get going, guys, and get cracking with this job. This is the kind of weather that normally is in Scotland: grey and a bit wet. So welcome to Scotland, people. Now, because it's raining a little bit, I am definitely getting my waterproof jacket on. But the only thing is that I wear a kilt, as most of you probably know. So there's nothing I can really do with the bottom half. It just has to get wet. So that'll be fun. But at least I can keep the top half cozy. How do you like the new t-shirt, people? What do you think? Ta-da! Yeah, it's cool, eh? Okay guys, so this window here is pretty much straight out in front of me. So I've got the accelerator in 10 degrees and the angle adapter slightly back on itself, just a little bit, and it will enable me to close out right to the bottom nicely. Apply the soap to the applicator directly, you get this much thicker consistency on the glass. Look, you can actually put a finger through it and the solution doesn't move. It doesn't run down the glass. So you get a greater control over your solution, and the glide is much nicer as well, as you'll see in a second. We're about to use a 16-inch Mormon liquidator with the end clips, okay? And you can see how nicely it glides. No squeaking. There we are. It's easy as that. Next bit, because the upper pane is done, the lower pane is pretty much level with me. So what I'm going to do is reverse the accelerator around the other way so that the angle adapter can have multiple degrees back on itself. So I'll show you. It's probably easier to show them. Waterfed pole wiggling wagglers, that is the job completed. So that is the farmhouse and the stables completed, all nice and clean. So all that's left to do is give the customer their receipt with the payment options on it. This customer in particular likes to do bank transfer, but now in our company we also have a card machine. So we use the Sum Up card machine, which accepts most sort of Visa, VPay, MasterCard, Apple Pay, American Express, accepts all those kind of things. So yeah, it's a very good addition. It means that we're not having to physically go to the bank with cash and checks now. We can just, nice and easy, it comes straight into the account, and it's also easier for the customers as well. So that, hopefully you've enjoyed that video, guys. Remember to tune back every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, especially Friday. We've got the podcast on Friday, so tune in then, and remember to subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. I'm Tradman. If you want to give us a look up on YouTube as well, I have my own Tradman YouTube channel, so remember to tune in and subscribe as well, guys. Thank you ever so much for taking the time today to watch the video. It is really much appreciated, and be good, take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching WindowCleaner.com on YouTube. If you liked the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure to check back every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday so you don't miss a video. And if you tear up at just the thought of not having Tradman for a whole week, check out his channel, Tradman, on YouTube.